the Galactic Center and its supermassive black hole. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a region of immense intrigue, the Galactic Center. This area, located in the constellation Sagittarius, is densely packed with stars and home to a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A asterisk. This black hole has a mass of about 4 million times that of our Sun and exerts a powerful gravitational pull on everything nearby. Despite its enormous mass, Sagittarius A asterisk is surprisingly small, with a radius of just 17 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. The presence of this supermassive black hole has profound effects on the surrounding area, influencing the motion of stars and gas clouds in its vicinity. While black holes are often depicted as cosmic vacuum cleaners, Sagittarius A asterisk is relatively quiet, only occasionally flaring up as it consumes matter that ventures too close. The discovery and study of Sagittarius A asterisk have been pivotal in our understanding of black holes, offering a unique glimpse into our galaxy's core dynamics. The Galactic Center remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious regions of the Milky Way.